Times change. Tastes change. Trends come and go. Families grow up and friends move away. But no matter how much life changes, one simple thing instantly brings us all back together. Grilling. Grill technology has evolved, but the atmosphere at Evokes has remained the same. Fire up the grill and you fire up fun. BBQGuys are America's grilling experts. From humble beginnings in 1998 as a brick and mortar store in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, to becoming the largest online retailer of outdoor living products, we have remained dedicated to providing the very best in customer service, online selection, and price. During National Grill Month, we raise a grill mint to everyone who shares our passion for the taste of charcoal, the flavor of smoke, and the indelible good times that grilling naturally creates.